Chevron Cvx Technical Analysis, Oil Giant Ready to Pump. July 3, 2025, welcome to the big leagues, market fans. Chevron Cvx closed at $148.37 on July 3, 2025, on the NYSE, inching up 0.26% with a volume of 5.17 million shares. Solid, but not stealing the show. Daily range was $147.36 to $148.98, with an open at $147.84. The 52-week high hit $152.15, while the low was $132.04. From April's $138.74, Chevron surged to $149.55 in June, dipped, and now it's back at $148.37, flirting with a breakout. Is this oil titan gearing up for a rally, or just chilling in consolidation? Grab your charts, cause Chevron is about to dance. Price action. A roller coaster with Swagger Cvx kicked off April at $138.74, climbed to $147.47 by April 9th, then dipped to $133.73 by April 21st. June was wild, peaking at $149.55 on June 20th, then sliding to $143.19 by June 30th. July 3's close at $148.37, up from $147.98 the day before, shows bulls fighting to hold the $148 line. Volume at 5.17 million is below the 10.44 million average from April-June, but aligns with recent 5 to 10 million days. The $147.36 low held firm, and $148.98 high tested resistance. Are we setting up for a push to $150, or will $147 pull it back? Let's dig in. Moving averages. Bulls flexing muscle. Moving averages are screaming buy. MA5, $145.78 simple, $146.60 exponential. MA10, $145.65 simple, $145.81 exponential. MA20, $144.82 simple, $144.50 exponential. And MA50, $143.43 simple, $143.90 exponential, are all below the price, signaling a strong uptrend. Even MA100, $140.80 simple, $141.35 exponential, and MA200, $139.98 simple, $142.37 exponential, are in the rearview mirror, backing the bulls. With 11 buy signals and 0 sells, the trend is hot, but watch that $149 to $150 resistance wall. Oscillators, momentum's popping, but watch the heat. RSI 14, 62.01, buy signal, in bullish territory, but shy of overbought, 70 plus. Room to run. Stochastic, 9, 644.57, neutral, momentum cooling slightly. StochRSI 14, at 66.29, nearing overbought, watch for a pullback risk. CCI 20, 98.28, buy signal, showing strength, but close to overbought, 100 plus. MACD, 12, 26 1.77, MACD, versus 1.75, signal, bullish histogram, 0.02, but momentum's flattening. ADX 14, 32.07, strong trend signal, bulls are in control, but not crazy yet. Williams %R, minus 38.77, neutral, price isn't at extremes. Ultimate Oscillator, 61.93, buy signal, bullish vibe intact. ROC, 2.35, buy signal, positive 14-day return. Bull or bear power, 1324.03, buy signal, bulls leading the charge. ATR 14, 1.88, moderate volatility, expect $2 to $3 daily swings. The oscillators are mostly bullish, 4 buys, 1 sell, 2 neutral, but StochRSI and CCI hint at a possible breather if $149 resistance holds. Pivot levels. The roadmap to riches classic. Pivot $144.90, R1 $149.56, R2 $150.75, R3 $155.41. Supports at S1 $143.71, S2 $139.05, S3 $137.86. Fibonacci. R1 $148.36, R2 $149.56, S1 $143.71, S2 $141.51. Camarilla. R1 $148.67, S1 $145.12, tight consolidation range. Woody. Pivot $145.54, R1 $150.82, S1 $144.43. DeMark. R1 $149.16, S1 $143.31. Price at $148.37 sits above the pivot, $144.90. Showing bullish control. Break $149.56, R1, and $150.75, R2, is next. Drop below $143.71, S1, and $139.05, S2, could be tested. Keep an eye on $149, it's the gatekeeper. Volume and market pulse. Volume at 5.17 million is quieter than June's 10 to 23 million lot spikes, peaking at 23.71 million on June 20. April-June averaged 10.44 million, so July's calmer vibe suggests consolidation. Social media's buzzing with Chevron breaking $148, oil prices rising chatter, but no major catalyst, earnings or oil supply news yet. The $132.04 low from April feels like a distant fortress, and bulls are defending $147 like champs. Oil price trends and energy sector sentiment could spark the next move. Game plan. How to play Cvx Cvx's at $148.37, riding a bullish wave, but teasing overbought signals. Bulls. Buy the dip at $143.71 to $145.12, S1 Camarilla S1. Set stop loss below $139.05, S2. If $149.56, R1, breaks, target $150.75 to $155.41, R2 R3, especially if volume spikes past 10 million. Bears. Short below $143.71, S1, aiming for $139.05, S2, but ADX's 32.07, strong trend makes shorts risky, wait for MACD bearish crossover. Watch these, $149.56 resistance, and $143.71 support are key. Oil price moves, OPEC news, or earnings could be the rocket fuel. Keep your charts tight, chase the volume, and vibe with CVX's rhythm.